In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We're going to move from a simple Google search to viewing the gold versus US dollar chart on TradingView, and then flip the chart scale to see the market from a fresh angle. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right page, open the chart you want, and use the Invert Scale option confidently. Start in any web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView. You should see the official TradingView result near the top. Click the official link to open the site. If you see ads or similarly named pages, double-check that the domain is the genuine TradingView website, so you land on the correct platform. Once the homepage loads, look for the search option, typically at the top of the page. Click it to open TradingView's powerful search panel. This is where you can find markets, symbols, and ideas. We're focusing on a specific market today, so we'll use it to locate the gold versus US dollar pair. In the search panel, type gold versus US dollar or the symbol XAUUSD. When you see the matching result, click it. This opens the price chart for spot gold quoted in US dollars. You're now looking at a live, interactive chart where you can zoom, pan, and change timeframes as needed. If the interface looks busy, don't worry. TradingView packs a lot of tools into one screen, but for this walkthrough, you only need to focus on the main chart area. Next, bring up the chart's context menu. To do that, right-click anywhere on the price chart itself. If you're on a laptop trackpad, a two-finger click usually works. On a mouse, use the standard right-click. On some devices, a long press can open the same menu. The key is to click directly on the chart area so you get chart-specific options. From the context menu, choose Invert Scale. The moment you select it, the vertical price axis flips, and the chart is reflected accordingly. This doesn't change the data, it simply inverts the view. Many traders use this to spot patterns or relationships that become clearer when up moves look like down moves, and vice versa. It can also help when you're comparing inverse correlations with other markets. If you ever feel disoriented, remember that this is a visual toggle you can switch off the same way you turned it on. That's it. You used Google to reach TradingView, opened the gold versus US dollar chart, and inverted the scale to analyze price action from a different perspective. Practice this a few times and it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.